Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's look at this question on projectile. A stone is propelled from a catapult with a speed of 50 meters per second. Attain a height of 100 meters. Calculate A. The time of flight, B. The angles of projection, and C. The range attained. Let's bring out the parameter and draw the diagram for this question. We are given initial velocity, which is 50 meters per second, and the height attained to be 100 meters. We are to draw this. Here is the vertical component, the horizontal component. Here is the path of the projection. We are given our initial velocity as u equals to 50 meters per second. Here is the height, which is equal to 100 meters. We are asked to find the angle of projection, the time of flight, and also the range. From this diagram now, or the parameter, we are given the height, and we don't have the angles of projection. Before we can calculate the time of flight and the range, we have to find the angles of projection. And from this diagram, we are given the maximum height as 100 meters. So we use the maximum height to attain our angles of projection. Then we can calculate the time of flight and the range. And from our previous class of projectile, we said that height is equals to u squared sine square theta over 2g. If we are to impute our value, we have h, which is 100, equals to initial velocity, which is 50, square times sine square theta over 2 times 10. We are to take our g as 10 meters per second square. So this will be 100 equals to 50 squares 2500 times sine square theta over 2 times 10, 20. 20 here, we have 1. 20 divided, we have 125. This will now be 100 equals to 125 times sine square theta. We have to make this the subject of the formula. We have sine square theta is equals to 100 divided by 125, is equals to 0.8. Sine square theta, square root of 0.8. This will now give you sine theta is equals to square root of 0.8. When you press your calculator, it will be 0.8944. So if we are to find our angle, now the theta is equals to arc sine 0.8944, which is equals to 63.4 degrees. These are our angles of projection. So for us to find our time of flight, and from our previous class, the time of flight is equals to 2u sine theta over g. So this will be equals to 2 times 50, which is our initial velocity, times sine 63.4 divided by 10. This will be equals to 100 sine 63.4 over 10. When you press your calculator, you will have 8.94 seconds. This is our answer to time of flight. For us to calculate our range, I'll know that range is equals to u square sine 2 theta over g. So this will be 50 square times sine 2 times 63.4 divided by 10. When you press your calculator, we have 200 meters. This is our answer to this question.